Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the face detection using CV2. That is the computer vision module in Python. So let's start. First of all, we have to create a new Python file. We will going to name it as a face detect. So this is our Python file. Now we are using CV2. So first of all, we have to import the library, which is import CV2. Now in this case we are going to use our laptop webcam to detect our image, and from that image we will going to detect the object face, that is a human face. So first of all we have to enable the webcam. So for enable camera, there is a inbuilt command in CV2 library, which is cv2 dot video capture, this one. Now this 0 will denote the default web camera connected to your computer. So in this case my laptop webcam, so we are going to use 0. Otherwise, if there are some external camera, then its numbering should be like 0 1 2 3 like this. So you can choose your video source accordingly. Then you have to set the display, the capturing resolution. So for this we will going to use the resolution 640 into 420 pixel. So for that we have to use that command set. Now this 3 and 4 means the it will denote the length and width of the resolution, that video capture screen. So after that we have to import our Cascade function, Cascade file for facial recognition. Now in this case we are using a pre-trained module which are used with CV2. So I will show you. If you open your project library, and under the CV2 module you will find the data folder, and inside this you will find the different pre-installed Cascade files. Like this one is for detecting eye, this one is for detecting eyeglass, and this one is for frontal cat face. So if you're going to detect any cat in your video, then you have to use this Cascade file. We are going to use the frontal face, which is this one, frontal face default. So for this we have to call this classifier face Cascade cv2 dot Cascade Classifier cv2 dot data dot Haar Cascade. You can Google it also. You will get all the detail for this Haar Cascade, how this concept is working while detecting for face detection. So we have to call the XML file of the classifier. So we will going to use this one. So just we will copy paste this name inside our code, our Cascade frontal face default. So this will be our the XML file. Now we have to convert whatever image we capture into grayscale. Because this machine learning algorithm will convert the image and will detect each pixel into grayscale, and if it's a 3-channel image, then it will be like red, green, blue. Then it will convert it into grayscale image. So for that we have to save that image inside img gray, and we have to use the inbuilt function cvt color. Inside this, what will going to convert this image cv2 dot color underscore. See, this one is the predefined function is there, bgr to gray, red, green, blue into gray function, into gray color image. Now after that, getting corners around the faces, we will going to use face cascade dot detect multiscale img gray, which we already converted previously, and our scaling factor will be 1.3 and minimum neighbor will be 5. So this 1.3 is the scale factor, and 5 is our minimum neighbor. Now after that, we have to draw a rectangle around our face. So for that, drawing bounding box around the detected face. So for that, we have to write a for loop x, y, w, h. Faces, that image equal to cv2 dot, we will draw a rectangle. So image now we have to, after putting the rectangle box around our face, we have to show our face. So for that, we have to use cv2 im show function and face detect. We will going to display this image, and now it will continuously showing. So for breakout of this loop, we have to use this wait key, and delay. See, if I put a 0, then it will cause no delay, means the video screen will come and it will go. So suppose we put some number like 10, this is 10 millisecond, and we will combine with and over the we are using keyword Q for quitting from the ongoing screen, so that the loop will break. Now we have to release and destroy the window for exiting. Destroy window, we have to give the window name, which window we will destroy. So we will destroy the face detect window. That's it. Now our code is ready, so we will, let's see, we will going to run this one. So for this we will run this code, face detect. So this is the error. We have to use the Python create, which is available with a small w in Python, the while statement. Now we will going to run again. And we forget to put a colon here also after the if statement. Now our code is executing successfully. Now it will take some time to open that webcam window and detect the face. So let's see. Now our code looks complete, so we will going to run this code. So our code is executing successfully. It will take some time to open the web camera and then show us the video and detect the face accordingly. Let's see. Here it shows the face. Now if I move the face, it will going to detect my face accordingly. Now we will press the keyword Q so that it will quit this window. Thank you.